Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen in Call of Duty Mobile. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest application cache purge. Navigate to your device settings, select Apps or App Management, and Technicality locate Call of Duty Mobile. Tap on Storage and Technicality, select Clear Cache. Note, do not clear data unless the high-end error persists. Clearing the application cache is the professional standard for high-end stability. It technicality ensures your studio environment is free from fragmented latest data that triggers the initialization hang. Next, configure professional background activity management. Open your device's task switcher and technicality, swipe away all non-essential high-end applications. Ensure that high-end social media and recording apps are technicality force stopped to prioritize the latest game engine. It technicality prepares your studio environment to handle the intense data throughput required by the latest mobile engine without high-end resource contention. Lastly, verify the professional environment and launch. After the system optimization and background clearing, technicality restart your mobile device to clear the high-end RAM. Launch Call of Duty Mobile and monitor the splash screen for high-end stability. This final check is a mechanical necessity for latest professional success. Once the game technicality connects, your high-end performance is live, allowing you to return to the latest competitive market. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.